Hey guys, this is Riley with BizNaz 101. In today's video, we will show you how to change button color in your Shopify store. First, open the link to our full guide below in the description of this video. Next, to get started, head back to your Shopify store. Now find the current theme for your store at the top. Then click the Customize button on the right. This will bring you to your store's theme editor. As you can see, we have many buttons on the homepage. Find and click the section containing the button you want to edit. For our example, we will choose this button. Next, we will click the section and scroll down to Custom CSS in the settings. Next, return to our full guide and copy the provided code, like so. Now we will go back to our store's theme editor and paste the code into the CSS settings. You can adjust the settings of your buttons such as the background color, text color, and border size. When you're happy with the way it looks, click Save at the top of the page. Now preview the changes in your Shopify store. As you can see, we have successfully changed the style and color of the button in our Shopify store. That's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget you can find the full guide below in the description or contact us at BizNaz101 for help with your store. Thank you for subscribing.